When Mary lost her job, she faced many challenges. She needed diabetes treatment but had no health insurance. She needed training to get a new job but had transportation problems reaching the community college. She used her savings to pay rent but had quickly run out of money. She needed a healthy diet to control her diabetes but had few sources of fresh produce in her neighborhood. Mary's foundation was shaken, and she had a high risk for developing serious health complications. Fortunately, Mary has access to safety net programs that help people like her bounce back. These programs spend about $1 trillion at the federal and state levels. They cover health care, income support, food support, housing support, and unemployment insurance. But between $50 to $100 billion goes unclaimed each year, with millions of people not receiving the help they need. So why are these resources not reaching people like Mary? A key reason for the unclaimed funds is that safety net policies, such as in the Texas statutes, typically address single needs like transportation or housing. Community agencies, such as in Houston, often implement a few of these policies, resulting in overlaps. These agencies further depend on government agencies to certify who is eligible for the services, which further complicates the process. Mary must therefore carefully plan which agencies she visits and in what order, so that she can avoid redundant visits to quickly get the services she needs. When we consider agencies and their interdependencies across all the preferred agencies used by the Houston Health Department, for Mary the safety net explodes in complexity. Mary needs to visit 9 agencies to cover her needs. Adding to this complexity are scientific results showing how needs cluster, resulting in health risks. Mary has a cluster of needs, making her very likely to develop depression. For people like Mary with multiple needs, the safety net feels more like a confusing policy maze. In fact, more than 40% of people like Mary that approach agencies such as the Houston Health Department never get all the services they need, with billions of dollars nationally going unclaimed each year. Can AI help Mary to navigate this policy maze? Working with caseworkers from the Houston Health Department, policy analysts from the Baker Institute for Public Policy, ethics and AI experts from the University of Texas Medical Branch, coupled with data from the All of Us program with funding from NIH, NCATS, and AIM Ahead, we believe that AI can help Mary through the concept of a precision policy. A precision policy uses human-centered AI methods to translate organizational knowledge and scientific results into recommendations that are tailored to individual needs. So how can a precision policy help Mary? When Mary comes to a safety net agency, she conveys her needs to a caseworker who guides her to get the services she needs. But currently, a caseworker typically uses very basic database tools, which can be time-consuming for addressing multiple needs. Often, only the most urgent needs are addressed. Precision policies can help to speed up that process for addressing all of Mary's needs. Using human-centered AI, a precision policy integrates organizational knowledge with scientific results to help caseworkers and their clients generate tailored solutions. Imagine Mary being guided by a caseworker through the use of a system called referral and access precision policy, or RAP. As shown in this mock-up, the caseworker enters Mary's demographic information and views the available safety net agencies with their dependencies along with a map showing where Mary lives. After conferring with Mary, he enters a prioritized list of her needs, which predicts a high risk for depression and displays safety net agencies relevant to Mary's needs. Clicking on specific agencies, he identifies the ones that are closest to Mary's home and generates a streamlined agency navigation that resolves the overlap among agencies and their dependencies. After discussing with Mary her options using information such as convenient bus routes, the caseworker generates a tailored navigation strategy for Mary, showing which agencies to visit, in what order, and the documentation needed for eligibility at each step. RAP aims to help caseworkers provide tailored assistance quickly to more clients and help clients receive assistance that addresses all their needs for improving health outcomes. Such a system could empower caseworkers to transform how they help communities improve health outcomes for all. The concept of a precision policy goes beyond just navigating the safety net. A precision policy is useful whenever multiple needs are addressed by agencies that provide overlapping and interdependent services. Precision policies aim to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness in accessing those services. So what would it take to realize this vision? Realizing the vision of a precision policy through RAP requires a stakeholder team to guide the design of RAP to ensure it is useful and not harmful to clients, AI experts to build a customizable prototype that is scalable across states, and safety net agencies to field test RAP by caseworkers and clients. Please reach out if you can help us to achieve these goals for realizing the vision of RAP that is trustworthy, usable, and scalable. Many of us are just a few steps away from needing the safety net. Imagine a future where no one gets lost in the policy maze while seeking eligible resources to address their needs. Precision policies that leverage human-centered AI, combined with data and human insights, can transform that vision into an everyday reality, working for all of us.